Today we're going to show you why you should give Intel Arc a chance with this $600 gaming PC.
It's super stealthy and it's sponsored by our friends at ASrock, and today we're showcasing the Intel Arc A580, the A770, and the A380. Awesome cards you can get from ASrock today for a wide range of different PC builds, and we're here to tell you guys how much better these graphics cards have gotten. They've gotten so much better in all your favorite titles, making them really awesome for budget gaming PCs, and today we're putting a $600 one together. Big shout out again to ASrock for sponsoring this video. We'll talk more about these Arc cards and the other ones you can buy, but let's not waste any more time and talk about the rest of the parts and get into the PC build.
To power this build, we have the i5-12400F. This is a 6-core 12-thread LGA 1700 processor that does come with the stock cooler, but we decided to give this thing a little bit of an aesthetic upgrade and also a little bit of a performance boost so that it can turbo really well. This right here is a Thermalright Assassin X120R SE. It is a pretty standard black tower cooler that, as you can see, it's like black with a little bit of chrome on it, but it'll definitely be way better than the stock cooler, and it should fit pretty nicely. You guys have seen us use this motherboard a lot. This is the ASrock B660m Pro RS. We really love this board for a couple of reasons. One, it has two 4-pins for the CPU, meaning you could do like an i7, or if you want to get really bold, an i9. It does have 4 RAM DIMMs as well, so you can add up to 4 sticks of RAM. It of course has a couple of M.2s on it. It even has some RGB accent lighting. So for a board that's typically under $100, it's really good. And for the RAM, because we had to go a little bit budget, but we still wanted to get some nice RAM, this is the Teamgroup T-Create DDR4, 32 gigs at 3200 megahertz. Now, you could save some money and go 16, but in terms of upgrade path, it is really awesome to buy 32 gigs right now, especially with how cheap it is. And for storage, we decided to go with a pretty awesome drive. This is the Soldigm P41 Plus. This is a Gen 4 1TB NVMe SSD that actually has some really respectable speeds, and because of this motherboard and CPU that we're using, it is Gen 4 capable and even Gen 5, so we figured, once again, upgrade path, you might as well go ahead and get these two knocked out now.
This right here is the star of the show, the ASrock Challenger Arc A580. It comes with 8 gigs of VRAM, and it's a very capable graphics card that you can get for sometimes around $159 to $169. Great for 1080p high refresh rate, and a perfect pairing for the i5-12400. And with all the driver updates Intel has been pushing in esports titles, and just recently, I just checked my email. I get emails like pretty much every day from Intel telling us about all the new driver updates they're pushing to these graphics cards. Fortnite just had a big uplift in performance, so I'm excited to see how the A580 and that i5 perform. But all in all, the Arc cards are getting so much better in terms of bang for the buck that you should definitely consider for your next gaming PC build. And for the power supply, we're going to go with, of course, the Sigotep 650-watt 80+ gold power supply, a power supply we use a lot here on the channel and over at PC Bros, our PC selling business. Very awesome power supply with plenty of watts for this build and room for upgrades in the future. And with this build, we decided to go super stealthy, no RGB. We want to make this a very minimal, easy to put together PC, and this right here is the Deepcool Matrexx 40, which makes that absolutely perfect. It's a $40 case, only comes with 1 fan in the back. We will be adding 2 of our extra black fans up front. That'll add you maybe about $15 if you want to buy one on Amazon today. You could just add an extra fan right here and you'll be good to go. But all in all, for $600, this is a really awesome stealthy PC with no RGB. For those people who really don't like RGB builds, this is the one for you. And I'm excited to show you guys how well the Intel Arc A580 performs in games in 2024. Let's build it.
Alright, we're playing Halo Infinite, and we are currently at max FOV 1080p, And we got a low setting preset going here so that we can try to get a pretty consistent high refresh rate and AAA title.
Getting pretty close, 100 plus FPS, not bad. Halo is definitely a game that has come a long way with GPU driver updates. I remember at one point Intel Arc was honestly unplayable on this. So cool to see on lower settings we're getting a high refresh rate experience. And obviously the A580 does slot in between the A770, which is a higher end GPU. You also have the A750, and you have the more budget option, the A380, which we've done budget builds with recently, and again, with driver optimization, it's performing better. Oh.
Oh, he has a shotgun.
Oh, man, you almost got him. You
I thought that he was
overshot.
really bad.
Oh! Oh, where'd you come from?
That's definitely looking pretty good in Halo.
I see him. Oh, there it is.
Oh my god.
Here's your one shot.
Alistair clipped that.
One more. Oh!
Oh, he picked up the Hummer.
Oh. Oh, this is it. Yes! Yes!
Oh, there was another
one.
one.
I could've got 4.
Oh, that'd have been so nice if I killed the whole team. He'd have had to end benchmarks there, honestly.
So that's it. What? His armor was broke.
Correct.
Got him.
Oh god.
Got him. Got him.
Got
Let's
him.
go. Got any nades? Oh, you got that guy going in hot. Get it. Hey.
Yeah. Oh my.
Behind you. Hey,
Yeah.
you got the
We won.
Dunsky. Let's go.
Well, that was pretty good. Let's go on to the next game.
Next game. All right, gamers, we are now playing Fortnite on performance mode, which recently Intel did put out an update saying that there is better performance on performance mode in Fortnite now, which is pretty nice to see. And we will go ahead and land in, we're going here to the restored reels and see what that's all about. Obviously, we're dealing with the initial stutter that happens in Fortnite because Fortnite would be Fortnite. Then we'll land and see how things hold up FPS-wise. We do have a limited frame rate as well. If we start seeing like an average but a bit of stutter, we may cap that as well. So a little optimizations here and there, but Intel Arc is getting a bit better. Sorry. Old sweet. Oh! Well, on the rekill, we're gonna cap things at like 165. I don't like my odds here.
Because this person's.
Oh no! I just broke their sheet. Oh, I guess the other person killed me.
Going back here.
Thanks. Ah! Oh! Oh! How did I hit that shot? I had no scope. Yee! Oh my god, yee! Yeah, 165 FPS slog, it's a bit better. Still a few stutters here and there, but I will say compared to performance mode before with the Arc A580 or any Arc GPU, this is definitely a good step up. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna run some built-in benchmarks. We'll run some other games as well to show you guys the potential of these Arc GPUs and then wrap this video up real quick and yeah, talk more about Intel Arc and how much better they're getting after I take out this one guy. Come here, over the hill.
That thing's steady. Oh my god.
I hate when my pickles are fuzzy. Let's do that.
This PC right here did pretty good, guys. We were pretty impressed with the new Arc update, especially in Fortnite. I mean, the fact that we were getting over 200 FPS, and I think when these cards came out, they were a little disappointing because they were so new. A lot of games just didn't work very well, but now almost every game we throw at them do pretty good.
And because ASrock was nice of the sponsor of this video and talk about the Intel Arc A580, the A380, and the A750 and A770 they all offer, you can buy one today. You can see you can build an awesome gaming PC at a bunch of different price ranges, and this one right here for $600 is a really good buy. Some of the other benchmarks we run was 3D Mark Time Spy. We got a score of 10,461, which for $600 PCs is a 6 cent per point average. Cyberpunk at 1080p high settings with Intel XeSS set to quality. We've got an average of 89 FPS, and Spider-Man at 1080p high settings with XeSS enabled. We also got 80 FPS average. Not only are these Arc cards great for gaming, they also have live streaming with AV1 support, so you can get into live streaming as well on a budget. And all in all, Intel Arc cards are getting so much better. Shout out to getting ASrock sponsored today's video. If you want to build this PC, check the link in the description down below. They will be affiliates, they will help us out. Let us know what you think of the Intel Arc cards in the comments down below. Will you be building with one soon?
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
So now that we've built this awesome gaming PC, this could be yours at home if you just go to pcbros.tech.
And there's most likely going to be some other Arc builds as well at pcbros.tech. Use code TOASTYBROS2 on checkout. You'll save 2% on your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye. It's going.